breaks are exhausting. I need a break. Snack time! But I don't like to have snacks alone. Hey, did you just say snack time? I sure did, something. Well, I just made a new friend in the tour group and we were hoping there'd be snacks. All right, come with me. What is your name? Alberto, you ready to snack? Open your mouth! I don't think those are the kind of snacks we were hoping for. Okay, you are really ready to eat it, yeah? Yes. Alright, don't worry, but here is it that you covered. These are the snacks. Let me introduce you, Shelly. All you have to do is hold the fish and throw it like that. Okay? Alberto, ready? This is a fish. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Do you know, Alberto, that busy ladies can eat from 7 to 17 kilos of fish every day? Just like mom. All right. Alberto, you know what type of fish is this? It's a dead one. Go for it, Alberto. Now, I want you, Alberto, to stand up right here. Turn around. Big smile right there because we're going to take a photo with Shelly. Very good. And everybody that's on the tree say cheese! Yay! Amazing. A big applause for Shelly!